Hey guys, Dipanjana here, and I bring to you a brand new series of Extra Edge Speaks. So, if you're wondering what Extra Edge is a martech company helping educational institutes to manage and increase their conversions and admissions. In this recent time, staying connected to each other has been a real challenge. So we understand that, and that's why Extra Edge brings to you a brand new series by its own people, for its own people, to stay connected. So stay tuned with us. Hi guys, welcome to the brand new episode of Extra Edge Speaks. So today we will be talking about how does success look like at an Extra Edge. Why I say so is that we have with us Mr. Deepak Chauhan, who is the youngest AVP at Extra Edge. So without wasting further more time, I'll just switch on to Deepak and I'll ask him to introduce himself and also talk about yourself a bit so that our audience know who are you and what is it all about. So Deepak, please.
Okay, so thank you, Dipanjana, for asking this question. So I'll share my brief journey about Extra Edge. So I started my career in 2017, and when I joined into customer success. To be frank, I had no idea what is this profile all about. All I wanted was to get into a non-tech job because I wanted to get more clarity on a variety of business aspects than sitting and writing code. Right. So, so I think when I started this, so I think within 3 or 4 months' time, I realized that this is the profile I'm always looking forward to. Because in this profile you get to meet a lot of different people in their own expertise areas, and in the customer success role you are also interacting with your own team in your company, and most importantly you play a very key role in bringing revenues. So I think that really hit me hard, and I really enjoyed my initial 3 months, and I think all of us heard about this, right? That when you work something you love, right, you always give your best. So I started with customer success, and I think within a year's time I've been promoted to senior customer success with more responsibility on handling enterprise customers. Then became head of CS in a year's time. Then again, handling the team was a new challenge, and now I think it's AVP with more responsibilities and more accountabilities. Yeah.
So, what I hear from you, Deepak, is that if you have a zeal or want or need for something, you can just go and join a startup at any role and you will be successful.
Very true,
right?
very true.
So, guys, this is coming from an ex-IITian, so I guess this is very true. Talking about your learnings and skill sets, Deepak, explicitly when you said that you moved on from customer success to senior to head to MVP, right? So, there have been a certain unique skill sets that you have gained. So, what are those skill sets to go to a managerial role from an individual player and then to manage an entire, team or a profile? I'd say so. Customer success is the profile to manage it only now. So, what are the skill sets that you have?
Okay. So Dipanjana, actually there are so many. So most of the people tells me that you have changed a lot in the last 4 years. But I think in top of my list, I have two most important learnings which I would like to share to the audience. One is that Extra Edge really helped me to build a thought process to solve a complex problem. So this is about that when you get a problem, right? Most of the people talk about just problems. So I think at Extra Edge we have that sort of culture that we always, look at the problem and we also try to solve it. And everybody has that kind of zeal to solve the problems. So I think this is the most important learning I had, that it's not even helping me in professional but also in a personal career. So which is, I think, it's good to have. Second, I believe that leadership skills. So I never imagined that I will be leading my team in just a young age. I have some people who are older than me also in my team, and it's altogether new learning to understand those people and lead those people. So I think in my top of my list would be that solving problems. Definitely, it's a very key important learning, and the second would be that leadership skills which I have gained from Extra Edge.
Thank you so much, Deepak. I guess definitely this will help others who aim to be AVP at your age. So, Deepak, like this is an adjoining question. So, particularly for becoming an AVP, right? So becoming an AVP is a very big profile or a very big challenge. It's not just heading a team; it's representing your company as well, representing the ideologies and objectives that your company carry, and you also represent your founders at times, right? So it's that kind of a role. So what does it take to become an AVP at this age? So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so Dipanjana asking, so answering this question, what does it take to be an AVP? So I think it's a contribution of each and every team member in the team, because you cannot, simple, right? You cannot build a company just being a standalone performer, right? So it's contribution of all. So what I believe is that, most important three learnings again, to be an AVP. One is that first of all, you have to be the person who's always learning and sharing. Okay, so you have to be always some sort of hustler, that you're always learning something new, because there should not be any end to learning. It has to be always learning and sharing with the team. So first is that you have to be person who's never settling. And second, I believe when you talk about a team, right? Even at the youngest age, if you have a team of 2 or 3 or 5 or 10, doesn't matter. Your team has to be high performance team, and they have to be very much aligned to your goals. Okay, whatever you say, that has to be in sync with your team. And the third most important, with the team, with a great performance team, and with you again being the hustler, the culture really matters a lot. That wherever you are performing right now, is that the culture is right suitable to your goals or not. So I think these three most important thing I wanted to share with the audience. I think you can also be an AVP if you have those three things. Yeah.
Definitely. So a lot of generic talk. So now I would want to know from you that what is this mantra? How do you become? How did you become a AVP? And I guess it's just been a month that your promotion has been announced. So how does it feel to become an AVP? And what was the mantra? And
Okay.
also, if you can just share who were those key people who have motivated you or pushed your boundaries, and who encouraged you that you are suitable for this role and you can go ahead and do it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, great. I think glad you asked this question. So I think to answer this question, you asked about mantra, so I'll share right away mantra. So I think in any career, right, you get a lot of opportunities. You get a lot of opportunities to take up those accountabilities and give your 100% best, right? So I think the most important mantra would be that take the ownership of any task, whatever the task would be. Like, is it about sending email, or it's about running your process, or it's about running any sort of sprint. You take the complete ownership of that particular task and do it with full your efforts. Okay, not just and think out of the box is a very important mantra also in the same line. So I think at Extra Edge I have been doing that since longer period of time, and also I think we have people like Sushil and Abhishek, right, our co-founders. So they always give you lots of responsibilities, which you have to pick it up and have to give your efforts and show the results. So I think that the team like us, when we have leaders like us, then everybody is like in the sync, right? That we have to take up more and more accountabilities and have to make it successful. So I think this I think I wanted to share, which really played a great role in my career. Whenever I was even doing the customer success, I used to handle my own accounts. I used to own my accounts. When I was senior customer success, I used to own my enterprise accounts as well as some other sprints. And now I think being an AVP, it's been around a month's time. So there are a lot of different accountabilities and on my shoulders. So definitely, I would be glad to share how it has been experienced the next video maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We'll wait for the next one. It was amazing listening to your experiences, Deepak. So my last question for today to you would be that there are many freshers outside, right, who are aspiring to join a startup or who plan to join a startup, and some are maybe confused whether to join a startup or a MNC, big companies, big names. So what would be your tips to them? Like how can they expect, or what kind of growth they can expect here, and what would be their life like? So what would be your message to them who are looking forward to join any startup, not only us, any startup?
Okay. So Dipanjana, again, when we talk about candidates, so there are different. So every candidate has their own experience, and maybe there are a lot of people pressure. So I would say that if anyone has more than 5+ years of experience, then I think Extra Edge is the best place to bring a lot of process here, because
Mhm.
what we can do, right, with their own experience, we can introduce lot of automation. We can make they can play a big role in making this company big. So talking about any candidate who has experience of 2 to 3 years, I believe they can be an expert in their own areas, and this is the best place to, if, for example, if somebody has 2 years of customer service experience, so in just two years of experience, you might not be an expert in that area, right? So I think this place can really give you that sort of opportunities, and you can grow your career. Now, if I talk about freshers, so I think freshers should not have any boundaries. They should learn whatever things they come across. So I think I did the same in my initial times. I learned the tech part also. I learned the CS part. I learned a little bit about marketing as well. So I think so freshers, I think this place is really good, and they can get a lot of opportunities to to grow their career.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Deepak, for being with us. So, guys, that's it. You have heard our AVP, our youngest AVP rather, speaking about success, growth, skill sets, and everything that you need to work with any high growth startup. So, stay tuned with us, guys. We'll come up with such interesting videos and hope to see you again. Till then, keep safe, take care, and bye.